What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and setting up the Asterion Vertex illuminated headphone stand. This hardware serves as a modern artistic approach to displaying headphone tech. I'll be displaying the Skull Crush Candy Evos on this stand, which I'll talk about more in a future video. Now, this video is a part of a playlist called Modern Gamer, where the concept is futuristic gaming powered by futuristic tech. As always, I only feature products that I buy or would like to buy. This gives the channel more credibility and appeal because we feature items that interest me and change the way we live. Don't have time to watch the whole video? We're now a podcast you can find on many platforms by searching for Pixels Cracked. And if you are listening to this on a podcast, you can find the YouTube by searching for Pixels Cracked as well. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. First, we have the unboxing. Contents are simple. We have the acrylic stand, base, and USB-A to micro USB cable. The kit excludes a power adapter, so you'll need to purchase one separately if you don't have one. Next, we have assembly, which is simple and requires no tools. Simply slide the stand into the base and make sure that it's flush on both sides. Then plug the micro USB cable end into the back of the stand. Once assembled, the stand functions as a piece of modern art. The angular base looks stealthy and sharp, and the acrylic portion modern. Next, let's plug our USB-A cable end into our power supply. So let's talk about the lighting, which is controlled by two touch-sensitive buttons. A power button functions for on, dimming, and power off. The color cycle button is used for 13 LED color choices. After cycling through the 13 colors, 3 dynamic modes can be found. These include alternating color, smooth, and fade. This stand is similar in operation to the Asterion Aura VR stand, which complement each other in the modern gaming lifestyle. This looks simply amazing as a combination. As you can see, the stand's design and color options make it an excellent source for displaying headphones. Simply place the headphones on top. The base also has enough space to place smaller items like the Google Pixel Buds. Next, we have charging. The stand features a USB-A port for powering or charging headphones or earbuds. Simply plug your USB-A cable into the base to start the charging process. You can upgrade this setup furthermore by pairing it with a TP-Link HS105 smart plug. I recommend this brand because of the manufacturer's reputation, firmware support, and compact size. This allows you to turn the stand on or off by voice with your assistant, creating a hands-free experience.
Okay, Google.
Turn on the stand. So, final thoughts. We have a minimal contents packaging with simple and quick assembly. This stand complements the gamer lifestyle while adding an extra source of light to a room. Now, light customization is excellent, and the dynamic modes bring life to the stand and your living quarters. The addition of that USB-A charge port is a nice feature to charge your headphones or your earbuds. Now, as I use products like this, I always think about how they could be better. And you can see we have this area here at the bottom where I have the Google Pixel Buds. And for some reason, I think that would be a cool place to probably have wireless charging. You could put earbuds there, or maybe if your phone is small enough, you could place it there as well. And you could start charging other devices wirelessly. Now, of course, this would add to the cost of the overall package, but that would be very, very futuristic. That being said, this stand is a beautiful piece of tech for the modern gamer or cyberpunk. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support us is just by sharing this video or podcast with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can support us is just by clicking the subscribe or follow button. Liking and subscribing are important because those are your ways to vote on if you like the video or the podcast. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. When new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.